Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella. So sorry guys, I have been so busy working. They changed my schedule back, so I have to work 5 days a week now. So I'm trying to do videos as much as I can without me being so tired when I get home. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you guys again for watching my videos, subscribing, comment below. Did I just say comment below? I meant all your comments. Oh shit. I'm still trying to wake up, okay? Sorry guys. Time out. Let's do this again. Okay. I am making this video today for all the May birthdays in the house. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Mwah! Today is my sister's birthday, and my birthday is on Wednesday, so we're like 2 days apart. So me and her are Tauruses. Taurus rock. If you're a Taurus, you rock. You know you do. So this video is for all your birthdays, birthday babies, Taurus babies, May birthdays, whatever. As you can see, I'm wearing my happy birthday. And can you guys guess what palette I'm going to be using today? If you guess, it's... And can you guys guess what palette I'm going to be using today? If you guess, it's a birthday palette from Kylie. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and play with this one. Sipping Pretty. This is her palette. So this was her birthday palette that I thought I would try and use. I haven't used this palette yet, so it's brand spanking new. Just been sitting there waiting for me to use. So I'm going to play with this. So I've already prepped my face, prepped my eyelids, and I'm all good to go. So if you guys want to see how to get this birthday look, keep watching. Okay guys, I'm going to do my transition shade. So it's going to be this one right here, right next to the pretty pink one. This one's called Moscow Moly, I think. I don't know. Okay, so it's just going to be my transition shade. I'm going to be adding that to my fluffy brush. I'm using, again, my Morphe Jaclyn Hill ones. This one's the eye blender. And this is just going to be my transition shade. Can't even talk. Shade. So I'm just going all over, back and forth, like so. And I can't sing. Hallelujah. Okay, so I'm going to be using this pink color right here. This one right here. It's called Pretty. So I'm actually trying to do 2 videos at once. I'm doing TikTok and I'm doing this. So you might see a little bit color here already because I'm trying to do 2 different videos right now. I'm trying to do multitask. It's very hard for me with my ADD. Kind of, yeah. So I'm just gonna, this is also, the Pretty color is gonna be my other transition shade. So I'm actually just putting that on top of the other first color I just put on. I'm using the same brush too. So this is really pretty. I love how Kylie's eyeshadows blend. They're just so amazing. I'm just like so in love with them. It is beautiful. I love it. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's at the end. This one is Jungle Juice. I love the name she created. They're so cool. And I got... Oh, man. A piece of the hair is coming out of my brush. And I'm using Jaclyn Hill upper crease brush. So I'm packing that baby on, and I'm going to go on the crease, but I'm just going on the lower part of it and getting in my brush and just do windshield wipers all the way across like that. It's a pretty color. So it's going to be very pinky. I love pink, by the way. Pink is my favorite color. And if you get any fallout or you make a mess, it's okay. It happens. Makeup is not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be fun and enhance your beauty. It enhances the beauty that you already have. So that's what makes it fun about makeup. To me, it does. Can you guys see how beautiful they blend together? I know, I'm gonna fix the outer corner. It's fine. I mean, outside. It's okay. It's okay. We all make mistakes, but that's why we're able to clean it up. Can you guys see how beautiful they blend? Oh my god, it's just amazing. It's so much better to see it in real life. So much better. Okay, now I'm gonna do cut crease. So I can do the other color. I'm using my Kylie shell color to cut the crease. You guys can use whatever concealer you want. I'm using this one because since I'm using the Kylie eyeshadow, might as well. And I'm gonna go ahead with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Brow Bone Highlighter. You can use any brush, but this is small and it works for me, so use whatever works for you guys. I didn't know if you guys want to see how I do my cut crease. So like I'm just getting my small brush like I showed you, and I'm starting from inner corner and just going a little bit halfway a little bit. Okay, so I want to set my cut crease I just did, so I'm just using my Kat Von D setting powder. You don't have to do it. I'm just doing it for this one. For this look, I'm just trying it. I saw it done, so I wanted to try and see if it makes a difference. That's pretty cool. So it's gonna set that, which is really cool looking. Okay, so I'm gonna define the cut crease a little bit more, and I want to add a little bit more mimosa on the top part, if you guys can see. That way I can fix my my crease too. I'm going to use, what am I going to use? Actually, I'm gonna use the brow bone one again, and that's gonna work good. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna go above where the cut crease is, and I'm just putting a little bit of mimosa just to define it a little bit more, and have because I'm gonna have it pop out. Yeah, sounds right. Okay guys, I'm gonna go back in with mimosa, and I'm gonna go in with my same MAC flat brush I'm using, and I'm just gonna start at the outer corner and just start packing that in. The mimosa is a really pretty color. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack the outer corner only, like that. Okay, I'm gonna go with the color Pretty again, and I'm just gonna go on where the crease is, and I'm just gonna blend the mimosa and the other shade that I have right here together. Like that. Looks so pretty. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my eyes, and I'm gonna put my lashes, my mascara, and my eyeliner on. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and I finished the look. I did my contouring, I did my lashes, mascara, the whole 9 yards. So didn't want to bore you guys while I went and did that. So anyways, I hope you like this look. Mwah! I love you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget below, subscribe, hit that bell to get notifications whenever I do new videos. And for all you May birthdays out there, I wish you a happy, blessed birthday. Please stay safe, and love you guys. Mwah!